Carly is trying to do a backflip in one day.
One day.
Did you ever did a backflip?
No, never.
So one day.
One day.
Yeah, he's black. I mean. So now we are in Alberta, Calgary. It's totally different here than in the Rockies. It's flat. But we are trying to find a camping spot or someone's house to camp. But because we are cheap and we don't want to spend money, we just asked some people here on the street where we can camp. And they told us there's a farm, Saskatoon farm or whatever. We are here.
Saskatoon farm.
Calgary, Alberta. Yeehaw! What is this? Looks nice. It's crowded.
Wait. Ah! Yes.
So we are here. Let's ask the people if we can stay here for one night.
We hope so.
And let's see what happens.
Just like I've seen all the night into a silent world alone. As we grow older, the numbers will fade into time. Let's go for another lazy round.
Ask them.
No, again.
We ask them. They're amazing people.
Yeah, they're amazing. And the farm is incredible.
Yeah, the owner, he's apparently half Dutch, Netherlands. And yeah, we can stay here for one night, and they even invited us to play football, soccer. And we'll see, European soccer. We are better. They have hockey, but we have soccer. That's
Belgium.
That's Belgium. Best team in the world. Carly is trying to do a backflip in one day.
One day.
Did you ever did a backflip? So one day. Yeah, he's black. I mean. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
No. Okay.
Good one.
3,
Woo!
2, 3.
Shit, I'm not doing it.
No, I think if you just jump up and use your like. I would never did it.
If you have tips on YouTube, send me some tips.
Subscribe down below.
9.
3. 3. That was good. 3. That was not bad.
Wow. 10.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you cannot flip at all. You cannot flip at all.
We're gonna say goodbye to the hospital. No,
Hospital.
to the really kind Saskatoon farm family.
Enjoy the rest of your time. I'll miss you.
Do you want to say some words?
Sweating. No, I don't have any pressure. It's been a pleasure meeting you all. Thanks for coming out here. Thanks for staying with us.
It was really nice to meet you. Yeah, it was amazing. It was amazing. Last week. See you.
Yeah, man.
We were planning to stay here one day, and we were here
7 days.
7 days. 7 days.
A week.
We stayed here 7 days. If you ever are in Alberta, and then
visit Saskatoon
if you're in
farm.
Calgary, and then if you go outside of Calgary, visit Saskatoon Farm. It's worth it. The people are so friendly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.